All right, see y'all later. All right. Ooh. Now that that's over, oh, my favorite part of the night. Oh, yes, good night. Hey y'all, this is allofdestiny, and in this video I will be sharing with you all how to install your wig and make it look slay. I mean, it is laid and slayed, but when you want to go home and do this at the end of the night and come completely out of it, I got you. This video is sponsored by, hold on. This video is sponsored by Hairvivi. All of the details about this wig will be in my description box down below. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So if you all have been keeping up with my real hair series, it's been about 2 weeks since I've straightened my hair. My dandruff is starting to come back. I have errands that I need to run today, and I can't go anywhere with this ponytail. So let's do some makeup and get out for the day. Okay. Got my makeup done. This is the wig that I've been working out. Y'all see my so this is the wig. It was sent to me from Hairvivi. It's already been opened. I like to open my wigs when I get them. This is the wig. It does have the removable adjustable band. I love that companies add these on now. It saves us so much time to actually measure and sew them on ourselves. A comb in the back, 2 combs on the side. Those come in very handy when you want to wear a wig without gluing it down. The hairline is pre-plucked and the knots are already bleached. Boom, time saved. Just apply it and we're out the door. I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. They did send me an additional elastic band as well. Girls wear bras, so you know how to use the adjustable band. Super easy. 2 different wig cap colors, lots of shades of black, okay? Little clips as well as a comb and also a Hairvivi care card. I'm going to go ahead now and just remove all of the excess lace. That way I can begin to apply it to my head. You're on speakerphone, okay? I was letting you know if you wanted to say hey, because this video is gonna be in hyperlapse. It's gonna be a voiceover. If I already had braids or something, that would be cool. But if y'all saw in my vlog, my hair is currently in a state of being a hot mess and needing to be washed. So I definitely don't want to go out of the house like this, and I really don't have time to wash it really either. So I'm just gonna plait it up in this low ponytail. Since I plan on washing my hair tomorrow, this will just hold me over so I can at least look cute for the day.
Where you going where you at least out look cute for the day?
This is a hypothetical video. What do you mean? Play along. No, I gotta run some errands though.
Yeah, I gotta run out errands at 7 o'clock.
Didn't I just tell you to play along? Get you off. We don't want you on here no more. I'm gonna throw this cap on here. I'm not even gonna worry about my ponytail or anything. We're not gluing her down or anything with it being dirty like this. I want to wash my hair tomorrow. Let's get the wig. I'm glad that she's already straight too. That's less work for me. Like, I may just have to run the flat iron through it and get out the shipping kinks. Okay, so I'm gonna put the strap on the last strap. Since we're not doing any gluing or anything, we need it to be tight. Oh, I didn't cut the lace in the back. This little part right here. Okay, nobody will see that. We're just gonna put it on for now. Cut yours off in the back. But I'm in a rush, so, and it's already on the tightest strap. If you want it to be even more snug, I'll show you how I still use the combs even though I have on a wig cap. And for extra security, can you just laugh while I'm recording? This is not a feature. No, I like talking to you while I'm recording.
Well, I'm gonna be making noise, so you might not want to talk.
Oh, okay. I could put headphones in, but that'll look tacky. But go ahead. I'll call you when I'm done.
Okay, good.
Bye. Adjustable straps in. I put mine in here where it's nice and snug and tight. And I like how I cut it kind of jagged. I've been seeing a lot of people do that lately where they don't cut it like where it's too straight. Okay. Since my hair is not tucked down, I'm just going to sit my elastic band on my ponytail to help hold that down even further. If you just have to wear your hair like this without braiding it down, like me, we're gonna adjust it and see if Hairvivi can be worn straight out of the box. Don't have time for anything else. Oh, she's snug. Ooh. You take those combs and put them under there. Hope my lights aren't too bright. Here we good. Wow. Take this comb in the back and you stick that underneath there. Now she's snug. Seriously, snug. Like snug, okay? No baby hairs, none of the extra stuff that YouTubers like to do. We don't have time today. See my widow's peak. So make sure that the wig lines up with your own hairline. I have a widow's peak, so I make sure I cover that up. I don't want my own hair peeking through. I'm taking some of the Lot of Body foaming lotion and applying that just towards the front portion to help to mold this down. Okay, this is what we have so far before I do anything to the part. I feel like my lights are way bright. There's not many kinks really to get out of this wig, honestly. I'm extra, so we're gonna do a little bit more to the part because why not? I'm just gonna take my same powder that I use on my face and just touch up the front portions of the wig.
The wig was already blending with my skin tone pretty well. This was just an extra step. You definitely don't have to do this, but if you just really wanted to be like ooh la la, then this is another step that you can take. And I'm a little extra, so I'm going to keep going, but you all can see that we really could have stopped right there. I wanted to part back a little bit further, so I'm using the foaming lotion to help me do that. It just helps the hair to move around, and you can also choose to push this side back and pull that part forward since we're not gluing it down. That'll help to hide that lace. I took too much of the concealer because I wanted to go in a little bit more, but I just used my beauty blender or my Morphe sponge to just blend that out some more. And now this is what we have. But of course, I'm still a little extra. This is what it looks like on the side, by the way, since I only blended it just in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and do the entire front, just in case you all want to mold down that entire part. You would just put the foaming lotion on there, smooth it down, put your hair scarf on it for a little while, and let that sit to marinate your edges.
Oh, so this is basically a look. Is that what you tell me? Wow.
So about 5 minutes later, this is what we have. Okay, I can work with that. Let it sit longer if you would like while you do some makeup or just clean up the mess that you might have made. This is what the hair looks like. I definitely didn't even have to flat iron it. I'm loving the way that it looks. I can just throw this on, go run my errands. Look at the hairline. Like, did you see me pick up tweezers in this video? I don't think so. Pre-plucked, what frontal? And the best part is the Lotta Body foaming lotion does help to mold the hairline in place. But look, it's not glued down. Like, we can remove this daily or each night and just reapply it when we're ready to. Or if you're like me and you just want to slick your hair back in a ponytail and just rock a wig for the day and be back to your real hair tomorrow, or if you just need your hair to be washed, like, this serves all those purposes, okay? You can also do this cute little look, do like a swoop behind the ear. That's cute too. Special thank you again to Hairvivi for sponsoring this video. If you all want to see how this bob would look styled differently or just on someone else, then definitely stay tuned and follow me on Instagram, because when I originally opened this, my mom, she's already claimed it, so I'll be styling this wig on her very soon. Believe it or not, Hairvivi does have a sale going on right now. You all can get this wig for $169. I will have all the details about it down below, so check out hairvivi.com, snatch up this wig while the sale is going on. Let me know if you all will be trying this glueless type of install. You can apply your wig for the day, take it off at night, and sleep comfortably, girl. And you can also use this method if you just need a quick glow up to take Instagram pictures.
Questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. Click over here to watch more videos on my channel, more glueless installs, or if you've seen both of those videos, then definitely just check in my description box down below, or just go and find another one. You're still here, so you still want to watch me. Click over here on my cute little face to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.